अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो दोस्तों, आज आपके साथ नई स्ट्रीम के साथ मौजूद हैं और हमारा आज का टॉपिक गेट लाइव बोनस टास्क है। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक Gear Live Launchpool newly added Kai Battle of Three Kingdom SGC Stake GT BTC to earn reward delivered in real time। और आज हम इसी पर बात करेंगे और प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड तमाम तर जो तफसीलात हैं वो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा तफसील के साथ। तो गौर से सुनिएगा और मेरे साथ रहिएगा। इंशाल्लाह आपको भरपूर तरीके से कोशिश करूंगा कि तमाम तर डिटेल इस प्रोजेक्ट से रिलेटेड बताऊं। फिर आप मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा और देखते रहिएगा आज की स्ट्रीम। तो हम बाकायदा तौर पर इस स्ट्रीम का आगाज़ करते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। तो देख सकते हैं आज का हमारा टॉपिक है गेट लॉन्च पूल newly added Kai Battle of Three Kingdom SGC Stake GT BTC to earn reward deliver in real time। थैंक यू सो मच की टू द फ्रेंड, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और चलते हैं। द काई बैटल ऑफ थ्री किंगडम SGC विल बी लॉन्च ऑन गेट लॉन्च पूल स्टेक GT BTC टू अर्न SGC टोकन रिवॉर्ड एवरी हॉर। हर घंटे में आप रिवॉर्ड जीत सकते हैं। एयर ड्रॉप डिटेल्स स्टेकिंग पीरियड जून 14 2025 एट 12 जून 19 2025 एट 12 UTC। तो ये इसका स्टेकिंग पीरियड है। तो आप देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू वंस अगेन, आपका शुक्रिया गेट द फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। ज्वाइन करने के लिए बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। स्टेक टू अर्न की जानिब चलते हैं और आपको बताता चलो स्टेक टू अर्न के ऊपर। काई सेंगोकोशी टेंशन बैटल ऑफ थ्री किंगडम रिस्पॉन्स टू द लैंडमार्क फ्लैशन ऑफ SEG Sega's iconic Sinquisition branch with the cutting-edge blockchain technology. Development by industry pioneer Double Jump Tokyo, the premier blockchain strategy game is battle on beloved IP with the proven market success across Asia. Thank you, Chinese friend, Concert Queen, and thank you, HKPL. Thank you, HKPL. And the dinner chicken, thank you, dinner. Alineo, thank you, Alineo, and Alio. Thank you so much, Alio and Alineo. Thank you once again. The premium blockchain technology game put on beloved VIP with proven game market success across Asia. The project future SGC, a governance and utility token responded in game as SGPC points. Player earn SGCP thought PvP gameplay with then the base used to purchase additional card package before rated on the game marketplace। तो ये है SGC। Thank you the dirty, thank you Dusty and Hanza Nico, thank you so much all dear friend। तो आपको SGC के बारे में बताता हूँ दोस्तों मजीद। द BTC पोल total staking reward 130000 SGC participation 2944 and now token stake BTC price pool Horley cap 108,333.33 mining period 5 day individual Horley cap reward 5416.66 SGC। Now total staking 17324081594 BTC and APR. Now you see my staking and my reward। Thank you once again for joining। तो आप देख रहे हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक। आज हम SGC पर बात कर रहे हैं, गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर। तो अभी GT पोल आपको दिखाता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच ब्लैक लेदर, थैंक यू ब्लैक लेंथर। GT poll. Total staking reward 7000000 SGC. Token stake GT. And participation 11026. Price whole cap 5833.33. Mining period 5 days. Individual hourly cap 5833.33. Total staking 1823203.96. GT APR 6060. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। आपके सामने मौजूद हमारा आज का प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं और आपसे तमाम तर तफसीलात बताता हुआ। थैंक यू ब्लैक लीडर द वर्ल्ड वॉइस, थैंक यू। थैंक यू सो मच। तो अभी इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब हम जा रहे हैं दोस्तों। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ओपन नहीं हो रही। आपके सामने इस टाइम मौजूद है SGC और इसकी वेबसाइट ओपन नहीं हो रही। और इसके बारे में मैंने एडमिन से डिस्कस किया है और उन्हें बताया है कि इसकी वेबसाइट ओपन नहीं हो रही। तो आगे चलते हैं और आपको ले चलते हैं इसके वाइट पेपर की जानिब और वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात करते हैं। थैंक यू ब्रिलियंट एंड गेट यूजर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों इसकी वाइट पेपर के ऊपर हम बात करने लगे हैं। वेलकम टू काई सेंगोकोशी टेंशन बैटल ऑफ थ्री किंगडम। तो कितना खूबसूरत सा बैकग्राउंड में आप देख सकते हैं थीम है, बहुत खूबसूरत सी गेम है, इसके खूबसूरत से पिक्चर है गेम के, क्लासिकल ग्राफ बना हुआ है आपके सामने मौजूद है। आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आपको इसके साथ बताते हैं काई सेंगतोशी 10 बैटल ऑफ थ्री किंगडम of Kai Senkoshi Tens for short is a card-based tactical wargame set in the world of Sengoshi Trines original of the Accord. Thank you. With the rising welter force, your material based your task is about one united China under your might banner make your way to across the country as you crush all opposition and critical words to your case. Thank you once again, the brilliant, the gate user, and come well. Thank you, come well. तो अभी आगे चलते हैं आपके सामने। Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for joining. थैंक यू, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया गेट यूजर। अभी हम आगे चलते हैं और आपको बताते हैं नेक्स्ट। यस, फेट लाइन इन द हेड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड यू ब्रिंग अंडर your wing their unique talents and the strategy of your duck. Analyze the economy hard crafting your ideal team and deploying it with the technical confidence of the department for computation and strategic for billets both uncontation and digitalization. Reading your few to maintain battle supplies is imperative for this war. थैंक यू वंस अगेन। तो आपके सामने मौजूद है दोस्तों आज का टॉपिक। हम आज अपने प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं। पिछले कई दिन हमने मार्केट की है, तो आज हम फाइनली प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और मेरा आज का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और इसी के ऊपर हम चलेंगे आपके सामने। थैंक यू प्योर वर्ड एंड बिगिनर 888 Blue, thank you Blue, have a nice day Blue, good to see you. And Epcozy, thank you Epcozy and other kid user friend, thank you for joining. The Rest Body Mom, thank you Rest Body M, thank you. So the next one I tell you dear friend, inherit all hostile united you win alliteration should the final round see your cattle guide fully, then the economy victory will be user as will. Thank you, Red Mom. Thank you, Rest Body Mom. The next one I tell you. According a Wang worldwide NFT card will result in the battery of Pyrex including bling able to the unlock special ability known as awakened skill and the Intel market transaction. These and multiple for the innocent, void you the game would you can even cryptocurrency. Thank you once again, the rest body, the Kate user, and Panda Crypto. Thank you, Panda Crypto, and thank you for joining Crypto Princess. Thank you, Nikiko. Thank you, Nikiko. Welcome to all my dear friends to join my live stream. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. द हरियन मिक्स को थैंक यू सो मच. और क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस आपका शुक्रिया. वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. तो आज हम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. इससे पहले हमने मार्केट की है पिछले तकरीबन 15 से 20 दिन, और आज हम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं, तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. वालेकुम सलाम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, थैंक यू. आज आपके दोस्त मौजूद नहीं हैं, ना जाने कहाँ पर हैं. क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, शाइनिंग स्टार और हमारे दीगर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू द डेस्ट्री, निको, थैंक यू निको, थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ नाइस डे, गुड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैंपियन, तो सॉरी क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस. अभी क्रिप्टो चैंपियन थोड़ी देर पहले अपनी स्ट्रीम कर रहे थे, और उम्मीद है कि वो भी ज्वाइन हमें करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. लगता है कि वो भी शायद कहीं लस्सी पे के बेहोश तो नहीं हो गए. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. The next one I tell you, dear friend, according Awakened World's NFT cards will result in battery of pork, including being able to enable special abilities known as unknown skill and the institutional market transaction. These a multiple of other investment awaits you in game world. You can even earn cryptocurrency. Thank you, Dinner Chicken and Katima, and thank you Crypto Champion, oh sorry Crypto Princess. I am good, Crypto Princess. And how about you, dear? Thank you for joining and thank you for comments. Thank you, Kate Sugar Friend. The next one, this light paper cover the fundamental gameplay aspect in the world wide of Kai Senko Koshi Tension Battle of their Kingdom. Thank you once again, Crypto Princess. May Allah bless you. Same to you, my dear friend. And thank you, Blend and Panda Crypto. Thank you, Panda जी. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया पांडे जी ज्वाइन करने के लिए. And same to you, dear friend Crypto Princess. Thank you. The next one, world view. I tell you the world view. तो आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक गेयर लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. अभी हम वर्ल्ड वाइड के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं, वर्ल्ड व्यू के ऊपर. कंक्यूर द बैटल फाइट थॉट द आर्ट ऑफ वॉर. तो गेम बहुत ज़बरदस्ती है दोस्तों, इसमें बेहतरीन फ्यूचर वगैरह फीचर हैं. आप देखिएगा और एंजॉय कीजिएगा और प्ले कीजिएगा. द नेक्स्ट वन, टेक द greatest horse of the kingdom under the command and utilize your treacle cunning to the secretary Amon line. Thank you, Hanzigo. Thank you. The field of battle ever changing and your enemies ever growing in strange attack, defend, decided and win. तो आप देख सकते हैं इसमें ज़बरदस्त किस्म का अटैक भी होगा, डिफेंस भी होगा, और जो जीतेगा और जो बैटल रहेगा वो जीतेगा. थैंक यू. Will it be your strategic process that's towards your face, or will you watch such might the sector in fear? Perfect fate itself will guide you to card with the power to change the very landscape of history. Thank you once again, Kate, your friend. Really your foxer bro, hero battle class. और अभी आप देख सकते हैं ज़बरदस्त किस्म के SGC के पिक्चर, खूबसूरत ग्राफ, कलरफुल पिक्चर्स और बेहतरीन गेम. तो आपका शुक्रिया. आगे चलते हैं. द वर्ल्ड वार्ड कार्ड्स. तो आप वर्ल्ड्स कार्ड देख सकते हैं. वर्ल्ड रोड कार्ड्स, खूबसूरत गेम और खूबसूरत इसकी पिक्चर्स आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. और आप देख सकते हैं 667. Thank you. The next one. Thank you, dear friend Blue. Wang Chun, the beginner Kate user. Manahing, thank you, Manahing. And the Wanglo, the Destry, the Panda, and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. And thank you for watching my project. Today, my project, Kate Live SGC project review. I tell you total detail of this project. इसकी वेबसाइट ओपन नहीं हुई थी, यहाँ पर मौजूद है, हम आपको अच्छे फीचर यहाँ से भी दिखा सकते हैं. The next one, the relationship between the journal and cards in Kai Sangokushi tension. Thank you, great user friend. In Kai Sangotoshi Trishan, in the game asset import the secret of legacy journal who third during the turbitude era of the turbitude area of the competing worlds. Each journal file into one of our retaining category common, uncommon rail of RS, the proxy version and status such a might and with some along with the unique skill like tactics and threats. Thank you so much, Crypto Vogar and Kate User, Katima, Pandaji, Beginner, and Kensifer. Thank you, and other Gate user friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now I tell you once again, the player can enjoy the game by collecting wide area of the journals to explore strategy, formation, or by seeking out a favorite character to build their collection. Thank you. In Kai Sangatoshi 10, players develop in their strategy you following, organize, and ensuring the journal to use a general in lane gameplay. Player must first accrue to the corresponding card. Thank you once again. Now the next one, two-tier structure journal and card. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों, Hanza and Gate user. So, two-tier structure journal and cards. The journal card atom and atom according thought the gameplay or the marketplace. It cannot be used directly in the battles. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Now number 2, the journal Usable United. Thank you so much for joining. The number 2, I tell you, dear friend, the Fadi, thank you. Journal Usable Unit. And the next one, a unit generated from the card under the specific condition which can the page use the formation and battle. Thank you once again. The next one, list of journal card and journal types. Thank you for joining. The list of journal card and journal type. Thank you. The next one, dear friend, the name, category, acquired method, the future. Normal word card, non-NFT card, in-game drops, etc. Upon first unique name, normal word card is automatic generate the second and the subsection card and created to the world solution. The next normal word and non-NFT and world generate upon the first question of the above card. No specific skill or effect can be used in the formation and the battle cannot be ensured. The next one, asking a vacant word card, NFT card, ERC1155. The card package development market etc. AWK and world is generated upon the first acquisition from parks of the thought commission, burn, enable to level up, and conversation of occurred slow. Thank you once again, the Red Silk. Thank you, Red Silk and Kate user, the Fofo Fahdi. Thank you so much once again, all my dear friend. Now the next one, the last one is Acquaint World, NFT World, ERC721. Generate a first equation from peaks of your awakened world. Ensure the cards are burned. Has avoid the skill and effort effect to the or ensure thought level up. Give Viva Bum. Thank you, Burn. Thank you so much. Now the next one. What are the awakening bonus? Thank you, Fafo एंड केट यूजर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव एसजीसी प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और इसी पर हम बात कर रहे हैं आज। वंस अगेन शुक्रिया आप दोस्तों का बेहद ज्वाइन करने के लिए। आगे चलते हैं। व्हाट आर अवेकिंग बोनस? व्हेन ए प्लेयर ऑब्टेन एंड अवेकिंग जर्नल inherent card from the pack for the first time and the corresponding journal has not yet awakened level 1 awakening. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, आपका शुक्रिया बात करने का। थैंक यू द अतहर आपका भी शुक्रिया। द नेक्स्ट वन, व्हेन ए प्लेयर obtains an awakening journal enchantment card from a peak for the first time and the corresponding journal has not yet awakened, a level 1 awakening journal is automatic generate. The additionally the player receive one more copy of the same awakening journal enchantment cards. This system is referred to as the awakening bonus. Thank you once again. Now next one I tell you dear friend, enforcement and the progression of journal. Thank you the Red Silk, Kate user, Athar and other. A working journal level up bring encompassing a working journal enhancement cards as the grow version enforcement offshore. No, the level 1 institute interstate can be used in formation. Level 2 state and effects increasing according to the journal types. Level number 6 and beyond the additional if card effects such further effects are planted. Thank you. Next one. Additionally, when bring card player earn a walking slows which the can be used on college soul packs. Thank you. The relationship between journal cards and case by case flow when orbiting normal journal. Thank you so much once again. इसके भी 3 पॉइंट हैं दोस्तों। थैंक यू निशात जहां, थैंक यू निशात, आपका भी शुक्रिया। So point number 1 है, when you obtain normal journal card of the first time, normal journal automatic generate. And point number 2, if you acquire the same card a second time to more is automatic convert into the journal souls. Point number 3, normal journal can be used in formation and battles but cannot be insured. Thank you once again. Gate 5, thank you. Gate 5, Gate 4 तो हमारे यहाँ मशहूर है, आप Gate 5 हैं, thank you. The next one, when the auditing and the insuring awakening journals. When you obtain a awakening journal insurance card from peak of the first and awakening bonus automatic generation level 1 awakening journal, and you also receive one additional copy of the same awakening journal endorsement card. Thank you Kate user friend, thank you the Q868, thank you QF, thank you for joining. Please follow, like and comments my dear friend. Now you see today my topic Gate Live SJC project review, and I tell you all detail of this project. The next one, if you plan to a walking journal and short card from the source of the peaks, it will not be consumed automatic. You can choose to burn, consume it, generate to ensuring a working journal. The point number 2, a working journal can be used in the formation and battle with their awoken skill and special effect activity by the living up thought bring in the special effect or progressive strong land. Thank you so much once again. तो आप देख सकते हैं एक बार फिर से खूबसूरत सी पिक्चर, खूबसूरत से ग्राफ इस वीडियो पे मेरी स्क्रीन के ऊपर, क्या खूबसूरत सी थीम है, क्या खूबसूरत से ग्राफ है कलरफुल, और क्या खूबसूरत सा है हमारा SGC. थैंक यू धर्मा सिंह, थैंक यू सो मच धर्मा सिंह, बिगिनर एंड अदर केडर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ ज्वाइन करने के लिए दोस्तों. तो अभी आपके सामने खूबसूरत से पिक्चर मौजूद है और आगे की तरफ हम चलते हैं. वेरियस वे टू एंजॉय. थैंक यू धर्मा सिंह, वंस अगेन धर्मा सिंह आपका शुक्रिया. वेरियस वे टू एंजॉय द जर्नल कार्ड इन द काई संतोषी tension offer a variety of view to enjoy the game, where you are a player, a collector, or traders. The driver way to ensuring the journal card are what make Kai Santoshi tense truly appalling. Thank you. KF, QF, thank you so much once again, QF. Now the next one I tell you, dear friend, you see this as player organize journal into formation and use them in battle to enjoy strategic competition. And the next one, as collector gather to collect journal based on their allotment rotary and a specific faction. Thank you. The next one I tell you, as a trade buy and sell NFT assets through the marketplace and between the wallets. Thank you once again for joining. Cat user Dharma Singh and the Mithan 3434. Thank you so much Mithan for joining, my dear friend Mithan. आपका ज्वाइन करने का बहुत शुक्रिया. गुड टू सी यू मिथन. बहुत दिनों के बाद आप मेरी स्ट्रीम पर आए हैं, मैं आपको खुशामदीद कहता हूं. थैंक यू सो मच मिथन 3434. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, मेन गेम. धर्मा सेना वंस अगेन. थैंक यू धर्मा सिंह. सॉरी धर्मा सेना तो अंपायर भी है और श्रीलंका के प्लेयर भी हैं. थैंक यू सो मच धर्मा सेना. कोम्बल इज द डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 फेसेस. थैंक यू सो मच धर्म सिंह, आपका एक बार फिर से शुक्रिया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू मेन गेम. थैंक यू सो मच, आपका शुक्रिया मिथन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, मेन गेम. द combatants is divided into the phase. The crewmen choose which words to enter the fray with the placement position your choice to worldwide. Thank you so much. Engagement your development worldwide with battle automatically. The next one, these are phase are part of round, the intel round, immediate round, and financial round. The repeated a total of 3 times with victory going to the side which delayed the most damage to the opposition kettles. Thank you so much. And now the next one, adopt to the chaining battle situation by the adjustment both your world roster and posting. The refer to the play guide of detailed information. और ये उसके सामने डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन है. इन्फो क्या है, सनतोशी posted. Thank you so much for joining. The next one, our vision and value gamer first. तो आगे चलते हैं. The realm of blockchain games represent the unexpected industry milestone from the trade to investor, collector, and the beyond. People of all walk of life and which different objectives are able to take part in this new modality of play. Thank you so much once again Dharma Singh and Mithan. Once again thank you Mithan and Dharma Singh. So the next one, but while this new demographics bring with much potential, we must also according and the implicit risk is in some case simple playing for fun skate is the very assure of gaming stand to take second stage, and that is why we have the word to oversee to basic intent gamer first. थैंक यू, आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूं दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। This is no more slogan or captures, it is a foundation principle we have strived to adhere to in every discussion made, because after all the protection of game is gamer and with to adventure there is no adventure. It is your feedback that drive us, be it sportive, critical or otherwise. He such our effort to game development will never stray from the below. Thank you once again, Saklan Sardar and Gate User, Beginner, the Rolanders, Destry, and Saklan Sardar. Once again, thank you so much. The next one I tell you, dear friend. Now, this is the more slogan or captures. It is the foundation principle we have striven to adhere to every discussion made, because after all the protection to game the gamer and with to adventure there is no adventure. It is your feedback that desire use be spotted critical of otherwise. As such our effort to the game development will every stray from the below. Thank you, Saklan, the Bambios. Thank you, the Bambis. I think Bambadas. Thank you, Bamdas, and the Hari Shamika. Thank you, Harry. Thank you. So the next one, I tell you, the changing to planning will be prioritize play experience above all. Point number 2, the creation of engineering gameplay will always take produce to more monitoring again. The profit motivated action religion in the department to the gaming expression will not be toward and any capacity. The next one, update with always to implementation in the spirit of capturing a better gameplay experience. Thank you again, the beginner. Thank you, beginner. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ. The next one, we will list of feedback in ensure the engaging with the player community on equal ground. For game in the essent environment and it the joy of play power all. Investment value of the assets, the market, all of ecom related factor all mostly aspects ensue to the ensure core experience and are not to the core experience itself. The next one I tell you, dear friend, the lastly why we played to always remain in the space of gamer to enjoy fully and freely. Thank you. The next one, we firmly believe the above the represent our soul and role listing project success and another with the you we hope to trade that road creating and singularly including game. Thank you so much for Tron and the Sayyid Heather. Sharif Heather. Thank you, Sharif Heather and beginner, the Katima, the Kate user. Thank you so much. So the next one, speed matter our community to rapid development. Rapid development. Thank you. आपका ज्वाइन करने का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ. दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक, आज हम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और मेरे प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू. द थैंक यू सो मच Mufazzar Rahman. Thank you, Mufazzar Rahman, I think. Thank you for joining, Mufazzar. The speed matter our commitment to rapid development. Blockchain game continue to allow at the Black Storage space up user for the forwarded by the constant influx of new teach, trend and player expectation. In the midst of all change, we hold one idea to be unchanging speed matter. Thank you once again and empty hand. Thank you empty hand and Nico and other dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. The next one I tell you, my dear friend, this is my project and I tell you total detail of this project now. The next one, why place such emphasis on the speed? The answer is because we value your percent movement in the world to meet the expectation of our audience being able to the act with expedition in permanent bag of designing facts, new ideas and valuable feedback such by implementation without a second delay. It must be noted, however, that It is the instruction different from the simply harnessing our ideal speed inconvenience the blow. Thank you Athar. आपका शुक्रिया. Begner आपका भी शुक्रिया. By Milk Moss. Thank you by Milk Moss. The next one I tell you. The small empowerment should be quick and constant. These add up, destroying the all right perfection at all times. Inflect if an update successfully meets technical standard and the should be generated for release. Community feedback is critical. Uh, Community feedback is circle and should be implementation as soon as possible. The making mistake is part of the course. What is the important having effect system for fixing them in the place? Thank you, Kate User Friend. The above methodology will be help realize. Thank you. The next one. An ever environmental game experience for all. Enjoy quick in the interpretation of community feedback, the affectation problem feeding and fixing, and ensuring ability deported to changing market condition. At times, this approach might result to trade-off between polish and space. However, we believe the better products are not driven from the perfect blueprints, but the original confrontation with the player base so led to the body embark on a new kind of journey. With both sides at the help and speed our slice, we are no debut distance for the best game possible. तो आपका बहुत शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Walk and see, thank you. The beginner, the Vango, the water flood, thank you water flood, and the Ken Sifar, thank you so much all my dear friend today to join my live stream. Now you see today my topic Gate Live SGC project review, and I tell you the transparency of this project. Thank you. The next one, the transparency is something we talk very seriously, and the extension to all fact of the game world let and the resource you have a much better result. Any all minor of new game activity will be recorded to the blockchain and made viewable any time. Thank you, Distray. This is more than simple future of the technology. It is community to you, the player, all machine of the game, its rules and more will be made clear and apparent. Thank you once again. So, my dear friend, you see today Gate Live SGC project review. I tell you total detail of this project. The more than simple future of the technology, it is a community to you, the player, all maximize of the game, its rules and more will be made clear and apparent. The next, where it drop rates will always show its activity to screen figure, transaction detail without player will be permutation. Each is one record viewable to all balance market and the update will be broken down in detail period of rules and one of course community gratification will always to be taken into the sensor condition. Thank you. Because is the future of play. Thank you the history, the shiny traders. Thank you so much shiny trader for joining, and Alayo. Thank you so much Alayo and Shani. Thank you. The next one, the rare atom drop roads will always show in the accurator on screen figure. Transaction detail without player will be permutation issued in once the record viewable to all balance to make word update will be broken down in the detail period of reloading. And of Okayan community critical will always be taken into ensure condition. Thank you once again Shani. And the ping, thank you. Because the true fun of play, listen, all the participate, sharing equal, voting, competing, underlining additional rules, and the angle of going growth, your effort. Straight with the combat result, everything will be finally allocated to approach down on the last detail. Such the gaming ecosystem we aim to build with you, one of transparency and integrity. Thank you so much. The X1, thank you X1. The next one I tell you, there is dear friend, the community growth. Thank you X1, the Yadroq. Thank you, Yadroq and X1. So this is my project, Gate Drive SGC project review. I tell you this project, dear friend. The next one is community growth. Thank you. One of the best aspects of the player wireless player format of play is meeting other and going through the competition. Our interest wish to the make this community acrobat and the open it to all time inversion strategic and the technique conveys to a victor player and the become keen become can instrument for the shooting to game appeal to the world like ways. Fish idea and the profession brought in by new player will be the categories for the future elevation. Thank you, Khalid Rahmani. Thank you, Khalid Rahmani. आपका भी शुक्रिया. So the next one, our ideal game environment is one of which play can test their strategies and equal where they can face each other regulation of experience and grow as a community. This game has potential become the thriving nexus of player, a place where new invitation tracks are born. The where close like on their dimension, digitalization, battlefield where play new and old meet competition and grow, but only with you help the potential to top the build rewards community. It must be done together. Thank you once again. आपका शुक्रिया शाइनिंग मून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग शाइनिंग मून. Thank you the Khalid Rahmani and Shining Moon, the Levant P. Thank you so much and other my dear friend today to join my live stream. Thank you so much. And I tell you my project detail now. The Tokenex. Thank you. The now Tokenex, you see the main contents and contents NFC marketplace SSGC, the card picks and the staking. The next one, this is the Khubsurat. Thank you so much dear friend Shining Moon. Very nice. Thank you so much Shining Moon. Have a nice day and welcome to join my live stream. Shining Moon, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया कमेंट्स करने के लिए और मेरे हौसला अफजाई के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. 5 SGC related future. The card picks the primary method of obtaining world NFT. The next one, dear friend, a working world card NFT. Good to see you, Shining Star, Shining Moon. Thank you. The Panda ji, thank you so much, Panda ji. The next one, the card picks the primary method of obtaining world NFT, acquiring world cards NFTs. Worldwide card used to the game holding multiple NFT or accompanying them always you to gain adventure in the gameplay. The main game, next one, thank you, revolves around the leaderboard mode and the must affection y to amass SGC. Thank you. The staking allows you to the deposit your SSGC relating in the on the staking point based on amount and duration. Thank you, Chappari Rapunzel. Thank you so much for joining, Rapunzel, and good to see you. Many times you come on my live stream. Thank you, Rapunzel. And the Panda Crypto. Thank you. The engagement content. The staking points you earn can be used in the below additional engage future. The GVG model, UGC tournament mode and championship event. Thank you. Hello, how are you? Rapunzel. उम्मीद है कैसी हैं आप. काफ़ी दिनों के बाद आज आप मेरी स्ट्रीम पर आई हैं. आपको देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड गुड टू सी यू, Rapunzel. थैंक यू. आपने स्ट्रीम कर ली, Rapunzel? थैंक यू, Rapunzel. आई एम गुड. Rapunzel, आपको प्रोजेक्ट मिला है? अभी जो नए प्रोजेक्ट्स आए हैं, 2 दिन पहले भी आए थे और आज भी आए हैं, आपको इनमें से प्रोजेक्ट मिला है क्या? तो स्टेकिंग नाउ आपके सामने दोस्तों. टुडे माय टॉपिक. नाउ हम प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और मेरे प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू के ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. Thank you, Crypto Champion, once again for joining. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Rapunzel. ओहो, इसका मतलब है आपको फीवर है। अल्लाह पाक आपको सेहत दे। गॉड ब्लेस यू पेंजल। तो आपको प्रोजेक्ट मिला है क्या? आपने कोई प्रोजेक्ट किया है इन्हीं दिनों में, कल या आज में? नो, आई हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड एनी प्रोजेक्ट। अच्छा, आपको प्रोजेक्ट, इसका मतलब नहीं मिला। प्रोजेक्ट आ रहे हैं तो आप एडमन से बात करें कि आपको प्रोजेक्ट दे। और आपके फ्रेंड में से किसी को मिला है? क्योंकि मेरी जो ग्रुप है उसमें से सिर्फ मुझे ही मिला है अभी फिल वक्त, मेरे और दोस्तों को तो नहीं मिला। क्या आपके दोस्तों को मिला है? जो आपकी टीम है, क्या उनको मिला है? थैंक यू शबारी, थैंक यू once again. The admin content staking points you earn can be used in the below additionally engagement future. The next one I tell you, GVG mode, UGC tournament mode, championship events. For each of the above, SGC reward amount will fluctuate according to staking point use. Thank you so much, Penzel. Thank you. क्या हमारे और दोस्त जो हैं ड्रैगन फ्लाई, उनको प्रोजेक्ट मिला? ईगल आई है मेरे ख्याल में शायद, और आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको में से किसी को मिला है? थैंक यू। रोनी हसन, थैंक यू। एटोकन डेस्ट्री एटोकन, थैंक यू सो मच रोनी एटोकन एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच। द डिस्टिंक्ट थिंकिंग, नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू, द डिस्टिंक्ट थिंकिंग, द मेन गेम इन फॉर प्योर फन. The main game is pure fun. We made a conscious design discussion to keep tokens spread from the main game cycle. Why, you ask? Because we believe the extension fun of game should talk purity. Thank you Shining Moon once again for your lovely comments. Thank you Shining once again. Shining Moon, क्या आपको बोनस टास्क मिला है जो अभी दोस्तों को मिले हैं मेरे समेत? क्या आपको भी कोई मिला है या आपने किसी के ऊपर प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू किया है अभी? द नेक्स्ट वन देयर, द एलिगेंट ट्रेल ऑफ बैटल स्ट्रेटजी एंड द सेपरेट फैन एंड द इपेक्ट इमर्सिव स्टोरी, अमेजिंग स्टोरी। थैंक यू। थैंक यू once again. The elegant third of the strategy and the subtraction app environment story. These cards of factor we fear that should not be developed. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you for encourage me. अपना थोड़ी रिपेंजल, आपका शुक्रिया मुझे इनकरेज करने के लिए। आपने स्ट्रीम कर ली, अगर कर ली है तो माजरत, अगर नहीं करी तो बता दीजिएगा, इंशाल्लाह आपकी स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन करूंगा। थैंक यू द क्रिस क्रिपो, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिस क्रिपो। The next one, the instantial gameplay experience, it complete in the itself and should motivate player why to win, including merits, not token. That is the kind of authority we seek to deliver. Thank you so much Crypto Champion once again for giving me beautiful big gift. Thank you, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया गिफ्ट करने के लिए Crypto Champion. The Crispo. The next one, expand cannot opens new doors. Thank you so much. आपका शुक्रिया. You don't not guy join my stream. You don't guy to join my stream. Rapunzel. इसकी क्या वजह है? हम आपकी स्ट्रीम को क्यों ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते? You not, oh sorry, I understand. हम कैसे ज्वाइन करें? हम आपकी स्ट्रीम का टाइम ही मालूम नहीं है। आपसे वही तो मैंने पूछा है, आप मुझे बताएं, इंशाल्लाह मैं ज्वाइन करूंगा आपकी स्ट्रीम को, अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे। अभी हमने कुछ दिन पहले एक अच्छा हमारा आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन बन गया था, फिर उसके बाद वो मोमेंटम टूट गया है। तो इंशाल्लाह आप टाइम बताएं, इंशाल्लाह मैं अपने फ्रेंड के साथ ज़रूर ज्वाइन करूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, आपकी स्ट्रीम हाँ देखिए अभी क्रिप्टो चैंपियन भी मौजूद हैं, वो भी आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, तो आप अपने टाइम बताइएगा, इंशाल्लाह आपको ज्वाइन करेंगे। थैंक यू। We are not, however, denying to potential to token one the country. We believe the game additional content in where token can be utilized to their fields. Thank you. After the having completed the title or complete gaming competent, user will naturally seek new way to play and the impress developers in the game world. 8 am 6 pm, तो आप दो टाइम करती हैं। ओहो, पेंसिल 8 am आई एम बेहोश। हाँ 6 pm में आपको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, कोशिश करेंगे। अगर 8 am में जाग गए तो ज़रूर ज्वाइन करेंगे, लेकिन जो 6 pm है वो बेटर टाइम है, आपको इंशाल्लाह हम ज़रूर ज्वाइन करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। इंशाल्लाह 8 pm आपको ज्वाइन करेंगे ज़रूर इंशाल्लाह। द सुपर राइजिंग द वर्ल्ड राइज, थैंक यू सुपर राइजिंग एंड थैंक यू रिपेंजल। 8 am के लिए हमारी माजरत पेशगी कबूल कीजिएगा, उस टाइम हम शायद बेहोश हुए पड़े होते हैं, क्योंकि रात को हम लेट ही सोते हैं, 3 से 4 बज जाते हैं कभी कभार काम करते हुए। तो इंशाल्लाह 8 pm आप 6 pm आपको ज़रूर ज्वाइन करेंगे। आफ्टर हैविंग कंप्लीट द टाइटल द कोर गेम प्ले कॉम्पिटेंट यूजर will naturally seek new way to the play and import travelers game in the world. That is why token to trainable meaning, going a comment, discussion, strategic report, scientification, community driven content creation and creation, new form of player collaboration, all this and more can be done through tokens. Thank you so much once again. आपका शुक्रिया। द क्रिएट contents, thank you so much Kriko and user Nadia, thank you so much Nadia. ओके इट्स ओके, थैंक यू। आपका जैसे आपका टाइम बनता है, आपका स्केजुअल जैसे भी है बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है, आपको जो सूट करता है जाहिर सी बात है। ओके गुड, गुड अहेड। ओके इंशाल्लाह आपको जो ज्वाइन करेंगे। ओके सून आई विल मैनेज टाइम। ओके ओके थैंक यू। जो भी आपका टाइम होगा इंशाल्लाह आपको ज़रूर हम ज्वाइन करेंगे। आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ ज्वाइन करने के लिए। 6 pm इंशाल्लाह आपसे मिलते हैं। Kate is a friend, thank you so much. The create conception, what we value must to the power of token to build construction. Thank you, construction. To date, social mining field to be really social, we feel being for the highest score with the random faculty enrollment to the other side of screen, luck permission of the generation introduction. Our token system will change this allowing for the blow. Thank you once again dear friend, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। The finding new friends with common goals, forming expression rules which the people player growth, sharing the boon of experience with the association wide, monitoring newcomers, the joy of contribute to bringing community. The next one I tell you, these concessions are not merely a temporary. Thank you Kate user Nadia, thank you so much. Temporary as one of the friend such from school for college, from the work, the relationship built thought Kai battle to the three kingdom will to operation special place in hearts for our player. This is token economic we hope to achieve. Let us change a morning history together. Thank you so much. Welcome पेंसिल, थैंक यू, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए, मैं आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। तो अभी आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों मेरा आज का टॉपिक जिसके ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू, और इसी के ऊपर आपको डिटेल बता रहा हूं। द टोकन इंफॉर्मेशन, नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू डियर फ्रेंड, प्लीज रेफर टू द लाइट पेपर पब्लिश्ड बाय BOBG Pate.Limited. हैप्पी, थैंक यू। एक्समिन, थैंक यू। और अभी आगे चलते हैं, द Importance of correct competition design. तो अभी हम इसके ऊपर बात करते हैं। थैंक यू। As the token is the very symbol of the project value, proceeding to value no more goal but the slow inspection of our holder. Time and again history as the thought of use to the matter how will contact economic system, it is the growing interest will the inverted see the rise of exploitation in trees, evolution spilling the system, ultimate collapse. We receive token in what the quality, the well-being of similar are to grow. The complete solution of to the issue cannot be expert to the simple formula, nor can it be handling on the rising unbound, creating the explosion of the matter. Depends on how many projects you have received. तो पेंसिल मुझे 7 प्रोजेक्ट्स मिले हैं, 2 कल मिले थे और 5 आज मिले हैं, तो टोटल मुझे 7 प्रोजेक्ट मिले हैं. थैंक यू फॉर kids.com फॉर गिव मी 7 प्रोजेक्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. तो अभी मेरा पहला ही प्रोजेक्ट है जिसके ऊपर मैं बात करूँ. अभी 6 प्रोजेक्ट मेरे रहते हैं इंशाल्लाह, डे बाय डे डेली बेसिस पर उन पे भी हम बात करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू, the competition solution to this issue cannot be expert the simple formula, no, or can be handled with the right enable to create the competition of matter must be matched with answer that fall and ever evening. The next one I tell you, the defending rewinding ecosystem contributes. What does it mean to the contribute the ecosystem? The answer to the quick notice, they blow factor and continue to work, keeping very defension ecosystem contribution, which the change in the application reward, shifting in the player behavior pattern, community matter, change in market condition, new method of play, embodying the discerning, new way to the use game beyond its entered space. Thank you so much, the management team, the responsible. Thank you so much for your lovely comments. रेपेंजल, थैंक यू सो मच. आपका बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे खूबसूरत से रिमार्क से नवाजा. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच. इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द आप सब लोगों को भी मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह. थैंक यू द किड्स यूजर फ्रेंड एंड द बिगिनर द हैप्पी. थैंक यू हैप्पी एंड अदर किड्स फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच for your lovely comments and your encourage. Thank you so much Rapunzel once again. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब जी. मैनेजमेंट टीम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, we ember to the complex of the matter and believe it call to the blowing guideline to tree ecosystem monitoring and the management, consistent observe of ecosystem health integrator, regular review of the creator and use to source contributor mining, estimation of flexible adjustment of reward amount, early discussion and fixing of explanation initiative. Thank you so much. Activity listing, the community empowerment feedback. Thank you. The protect together, grow together. Thank you gate user and Hamishel. Thank you so much. And the Drogan cheating. Thank you so much. And Rapunzel also thank you. Most welcome. Thank you so much for your lovely comments once again. The protect together, grow together. This is a joint effort and not slow the responsibility of our interest team. All holders are equally invest in the growing complex ecosystem within this the mind and polish and following high transparency in all specific management data driven discussion, making an open channel for the aligning our community and most important of all the caring about to the change. Thank you once again. आपका शुक्रिया. Now the next one I tell you about accommodation method with the deliver player because of any talent and instant we have designing very of phase to the reward draw of tuning. Thank you. Pencil, where is your princess? अभी मौजूद थी, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस अभी मौजूद थी, शायद कहीं बिजी हैं. मेरी स्ट्रीम पर आई थी, ज्वाइन किया है, मुझे सपोर्ट भी किया है और अभी शायद वो बिजी है, इस वजह से स्क्रीन पर नज़र नहीं आ रही. थैंक यू आपके पूछने का. नाउ ड्रॉ और क्यूइंग, दिस इज द प्री रजिस्ट्रेशन इवेंट BP ऑप्शन इन द इवेंट. Mimi games will be converted into the SGCP in game point to the main game point. For details on the conversation event please check the link below. और आपके सामने मौजूद है इसका वो लिंक भी आप देख सकते हैं और चेक कर सकते हैं. We hope We hope the build listing relationship with the all event participation we have considered to be important important state ever into ecosystem, co-builders of the project, core member of the community, and most important friend united to goal of building to broad shared future. The risk method, the ranking method. Thank you, Destry, once again. Player compute over approximately 1 month from the beginning to the end of month based on the amount of merit they hold. The amount of merit gained to loss changing depending on your rank and your opportunity rank. At the end of the period, player receive reward according to their total merit. Thank you so much. The total ranking, I tell you, there is ranking based on amount of proof accumulated for the tier 1. You rank to dependent on amount of proof you hold. Proof factor according to the match result, retaining, trading, holdership, leaderboard, and the promotion. Thank you, promotion. And feeling the blow, the result intimation. The amount of proof reporting of lost vesting depending on your rank and your opportunity rank. Thank you so much for joining the summit tournament. Thank you so much. The claim 1978 total for free. थैंक यू। ये आपने वेबसाइट भेजी है शायद टोटल फ्री। आपका बहुत शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए द समिट। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग क्लेम 1978। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड वेलकम। आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो दोस्तों फॉलो कीजिएगा और रिवॉर्ड ले लीजिएगा। रिवॉर्ड आप ले सकते हैं, आपके सामने मौजूद है। Thank you so much. The summit tournament. The championship event allows the specific token or more activity rule by staking by the prediction player performance and spending one of staking point to support side element or environment operation of the other all fight. According to prediction or reward making those on sideline important activity event participation. The GVG mode and test to work and tracing thinking in the real guide combat victory required more than the skill of individual with the load capacity of effectively management and action over to the long term coming into play. This is the shift scope of great opportunity for the guiding member for listing bonds. And when token information into the guide management, this allows the great strategic and drop fully unit. Thank you so much all my gate user friend today to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Now the staking value and growth. The next one I tell you, the staking value and growth. आपका बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूं दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरा आज का टॉपिक है गेट लाइव एसजीसी प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और हम उसी पर बात कर रहे हैं। आपके सामने मौजूद हैं एक बार फिर से। The staking value and growth token to earn the ensure the means of value persuasion and our token system was the carefully designed according to the end of ensure project long-term sustainability. Why our token we not designed with the competent based on model our ecosystem place a cap of token supply and the functional according to demands of project value. They are increasing problem at token economic design round specific review. The staking based design. As a iteration about to the have optimization design token system with the staking based model. Basic principle of staking token are related with the ecosystem, not consumed long-term holder community reward ecosystem stable product listing value creation. We family believe this model and result the below. More stable value procession favor distribute of reward the realization of health ecosystem. The next one, the staking system. Thank you. The staking system. This is a staking style machine where the deposited SGC to earn staking point SP pools are the development of BNB chain online and the SVG version and the automatic award 1 SP per hour and every 1 SGC to SGCP staking. SP can be spent of across two bombs and the experimentation such as Guide War, the Grand Championship and the UGC tournament. Staking is looked for 7 days from your most recent staking when the SGC you must be on your wallet address on you game ID total weekly special mission or dynamite adjustment the rate of staking token to creating supply. Thank you once again. The daily order. Thank you. The next one, staking using explain. Summit to tournament, interpark to privilege, stake closing control to load, bonus, tournament reward, and specific title, bigs, and the streaming community religion. The GVG mode. Additional gold future, including the guide member cap, spend guide history, access to the special strategic future, boost guide reward. The next one, using token in the game. Where token model premier design to staking also allow for the special game in the currency and the control of spending competition. Thank you. A way to the future project growth holder, the triggerable method of providing to community a foundation for long-term sustainability. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. This is the FAQ. The next one, I tell you what is the computation design. Third, the many projects utilize the competition based against the kind of step only effect, creating short-term demand which the invitation destabilization token value. We have a clear two lines, their road protection team and value stability, the perfect player assets from the specific filter. What is the staking alone create demand? Thank you. The next one. To that we consider the demand should rise from the genius value and utility artification contribution. Staking is not just deposit but trade to right to participation ecosystem. We have proof being the community member. Can we maintain the price stability? While we cannot grant complete scholarship for the design, not related competition, sudden the close of supply demanding equality can provide the long-term token holder at ATC changing, approaching amazing effect, suspicion buying the ceiling. What are the benefits of gamer? The next one, dear friend. The question bring to use most important token. Gameplay itself does not require token. However, play seeking and the added started of depend tokens are even to new exciting method of play for their more. These the operation position benefits from the project rising value the player themselves. Thank you. Our future change possible. Thank you so much once again. आपका शुक्रिया. Yes, but the utmost products required unity or the community blessing could move for the exact change. A period of database setting assessment will occur followed by the actual importment spreaded metal please and all the time would to consider long term impact. थैंक यू सो मच. तो दोस्तों ये है इसका वाइट पेपर. हमने वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात की है. हमें वेबसाइट अवेलेबल नहीं हो सकी, हमने बोला भी है. अभी आगे चलते हैं. The unlock rules 100% unlock. The gate launch pool allows user to stake early. You can stake your assets before the project official launch pool, ensuring you earning the reward immediately once mining being. Reward distribution. System will distribute token reward to user spot account every hour based on the proportion of asset staking cash every hour. The gate life. However, to participation long in term, you get account and the complete identity verification native to launch pool holder last 0.01 GT 0.0001 BTC click stake. Now the project information. This is the project information I tell you, dear friend. The Kai Sankoshi joins the Battle of Three Kingdom, representing to the landmark fusion to the SEGA icon strong icon Sangotoshi Station function with the cutting edge blockchain technology development by industry pioneer Double Jump Tokyo. This premier blockchain strategy game is built on Believer with the Plon Prexex Asia. The project future SGCC a governance and utility token responding in the game as SGC point player SGP thought the gameplay which can the used to player additionally check back to the read of the game. The website आपके सामने मौजूद है लेकिन ये अभी ओपन नहीं हो रही. गेट लाइव इन्वेस्टमेंट डिस्क्लोजर. गेट Lab did not invest in Kai Battle of Three Kingdom SGC. Note, I tell you note, dear friend, this is my today topic, Gate Live SGC project review. The note, Gate Launchpool is invite the staking and airdrop platform where user can staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other token onto Horley airdrop of hot and new coins, while entry barriers and the high APR its ultimate platform effectively ensuring the community opportunity. Please complete identity verification before the participating launch pool to ensure the security your account asset. Number 3, please adhere to the relevant rules of event participating and cheating behavior is property and occultation of early discovery will result in the disqualification of reward. Number 4, where and discrepancy area between the translation version and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. Gate reserve all right to final explanation. Number 6, this event is not affiliate the Apple link. User in United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access to service including the participation in the event, game or competition. See agreement. Now the risk warning. The project team does not granted the token price will be not lower than it until the sale price. Please invest with allocation. Don't invest your beyond financial capacity. The crypto project is still into intel stage factor including the opportunity and the underlying technology of project and other related regulatory activity might contribute to scientification risk. Number 3, advanced technology and the financial knowledge is required to the understand and evaluate the insured risk of crypto asset investment. Number 4, the market validation is high and the price of token might fluctuate distillation due to technical, regulatory and marketing factor. Number 5, user may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to the technical issue of the project. Gate team 13 June 2025, gateway to crypto. Trade 36 over 36 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly and easily on Gate.io. Take action now, sign up and claim up 10,000 welcome reward and individual the reward to earn 40% commission. Stay concerned, visit Gate.io official website, download all the Gate desktop, follow us on X Twitter to get more business, join our Telegram community to discuss trading topic and engage with the global community to the lasting highest transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserve. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड टुडे टू ज्वाइन माय स्ट्रीम। तो तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया, आज के दिन लाइक किया, कमेंट्स किया और फॉलो किया। तो दोस्तों ये था मेरा आज का प्रोजेक्ट गेट लाइव SGC प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू और आपको टोटल इस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में डिटेल शेयर की है। उम्मीद है तमाम दोस्तों ने गौर से मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को सुना होगा। तो दोस्तों आप दीजिएगा इजाज़त, इंशाल्लाह कल आपके साथ एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ दोबारा बात करेंगे। तब तक के लिए दीजिएगा इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़, खुदा हाफिज़, बाय बाय।